What is a black hole?
Black hole is a region of space where matter has condensed to such a high density that the gravity at its surface, the surface gravity, is so high that you cannot escape it, even at the speed of light. You are forever trapped. If you survive a trip through the black hole and come out on the other side, all of our equations tell us that an entire new space-time opens up for you. Once you've left the universe you were just in, you will never return to it, but you'll enter another domain.